Welcome back to my reels. Today I'll show you tips for Upwork. If you apply these tips, it will increase your hire rate. So what we need to do? We have to find the client name and mention it to our job proposal. So for example, I have choose this job. So I click on it, and you have to go down and find you have to go client recent history, and you have to search for client name. uh, so I found it. Here is the client name. This freelancer give a uh, give give a feedback to client, that is Ashish Babul is a great client. He is honest and polite, highly recommended. So we got the client name, and you have to mention the client name into the job proposal, like, hey, Ashish Babul, or dear Ashish Babul. So when client see their name in the job description, they will it will focus their attention. So it will encourage to chance that uh, they will interview you or give you the job. So try this and let me know it is work or not. Thank you. Save this reel for later.